Okay, today I will teach you how to configure a project using Spring MVC web application. So we use the Spring Tool Suite and we will make the simple Spring. Okay, now first you need to install the Spring Tool Suite, and after that go to the open that suite and file new Marvin project. And in Marvin project, you can create a simple project. We don't need to care about archetype selection, something like that. And we can use default workspace location. And next, and here we can have a com dot spring web MVC, and artifact is a tutorial. And we use packaging as Java. That's all, and finish. So we have a Marvin project now, but it doesn't work. It's just a simple Marvin. So in the pom, open the pom.xml. This is a Marvin dependencies, Marvin file. We need to have some dependencies, Spring dependencies here. We added all dependencies on libraries here, and Marvin will download all the libraries for us. We don't need to care. So at first, we need to download the Marvin Spring dependency. Marvin Spring dependency. We need to search for that. We go here. We go here, and we can see the Marvin here with the on the Spring for web application. So we copy this to paste inside the Marvin, and we need to change a little bit here. Dependency, we need to put inside the dependency. No, outside here. Dependency, we need to have dependency. Okay, we need to put all dependencies inside here. And now in properties, we need to check the current release. So we go to here and we find the current release of Spring MVC, Spring Framework, and here 4.2.4. Okay, 4.2.4, 4.2.4. We need to, okay, 4.2.4. Okay, so the next one, we need to configure the server and the Marvin compiler to run. This is just blank Marvin project, and Marvin just a way we can get all the libraries easier. Normally you need to download and add, but Marvin will do that for us. So we only need to configure the pom.xml, and Marvin will do all things for us. So now we need to have a build and plugins. And inside here we have a plugin control space. We can have an insert plugin. We can search for Jetty. Okay, we need to have a Jetty Marvin. Okay, plugin. Okay, and the next one we have Marvin compiler. Marvin compiler, Apache Marvin compiler. You can configure with others thing, but in this case we use Marvin compilers. Okay, that's all. But please keep in mind that the Marvin project will run with the JDK. So we need to configure that by tutorial and properties. We'll configure the first one is JDK. and we need to add libraries, JRE system library, and nice, and alternate JRE, and we select JDK. Or in the case if you cannot see the JDK here, you can install JDK here. But in my PC, I already installed. Just the search for JDK in your current PC. And okay, finish. And the next one, we need to change the faces. Faces, okay, apply. And you need to change the faces dynamic web module to 3.0. In this case, 3. But actually, dynamic web module 3.0 requires Java 1.6 or newer. Okay, I see. So now we need to change it to 1.8, and it's okay now. Apply and okay. So we have that. So now you can see here you need to generate the deployment descriptor stuff. It's a web.xml. You can see here. Okay, it just configure the home page. So now you can see the deployment descriptor still using the dynamic web module 2.5. How? But what happens with us? We change the facet to the 3.0. Why it is not updated? Is it a problem? Is with the STS tool. So we just delete this and it will automatically change its own version, but we have to do that. Okay, you can see the version is changed, and now we generate the web again. Okay, so now we need to have one page. Okay, we need to new JSP index. Okay, why happens to us? So we need to have a dependency for JSP page. Insert Java servernet API. We need this. Okay, Java servernet API, and we need another dependency Java JSP API. Okay, so all we just use Maven and update project. Okay, you can see now it can recognize the index page. So now we try to run. First we need to configuration. Okay, we go to tutorial and we use a Jetty run. That means we run with the Jetty server and run. Okay, the Jetty server is started. So now we go here and go to localhost index. Oh no, we cannot find. Because of the web, we need to configure the web.xml index JSP. Okay, why it doesn't work? Index.jsp. Okay, so we can see here now. We insert here now one here, and we restart the server. and we need to see some text there. Okay, finish. So this is the first thing for the first tutorial. Okay, thank you. Next tutorial, I would like to introduce about subnet.